Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to give you an impartial review when we are covering the 5 best bird feeders in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are trying to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our top pick is Squirrel Buster Standard Squirrel-proof Bird Feeder. The Squirrel Buster Standard Squirrel-proof Bird Feeder is the perfect way to protect your bird's food from pesky squirrels. The patented squirrel-proof design works without the use of any chemicals or electricity, so your birds can enjoy their food without the worry of squirrels getting to it. The feeder is made from metal and plastic components and comes in a garden green color. It has 4 metal perches that provide comfortable and secure perching for your birds, and a seed capacity of 1.3 pounds. Its seed ventilation system ensures that seed remains fresh and dry, and the metal parts are all powder-coated for durability. This bird feeder is easy to assemble and can be hung from a tree or pole. With the Squirrel Buster Standard Squirrel-proof Bird Feeder, you can provide a safe, secure environment for your birds to enjoy their favorite meals. Pros: Squirrel-proof design deters squirrels from accessing the bird seed. Large 1.3 pound seed capacity means fewer refills. 4 metal perches provide plenty of space for birds to feed. Durable garden green design is attractive and blends in with outdoor decor. Cons: not suitable for use with large birds such as wild turkeys. Metal perches may be too small for some birds. Not designed to be used with suet cakes or other feeder attachments. Number 2. Our second best pick is Muse Garden Hummingbird Feeder for outdoors. This beautiful, hand-blown glass Muse Garden Hummingbird Feeder is perfect for backyard bird watchers. The 27-ounce feeder is designed to attract hummingbirds and other wild birds, giving you an amazing view of these amazing creatures in their natural environment. It features an ant moat, which effectively keeps ants away from the sweet nectar, and a bright blue fireworks design that adds a touch of color to your garden or backyard. The feeder also has 5 feeding ports, allowing multiple birds to feed at the same time. The easy-to-fill wide-mouth reservoir makes filling and cleaning the feeder a breeze. With its beautiful design and quality construction, this feeder is sure to bring hours of joy to your space. Pros: made of hand-blown glass for a unique look. Holds up to 27 ounces of hummingbird food. Comes with an ant moat to keep ants out of the feeder. Features a colorful blue fireworks design. Cons: may be difficult to clean due to the intricate glass design. The ant moat may be difficult to refill with water. Number 3. Our third best pick is Brown Squirrel Buster Plus Squirrel-proof Bird Feeder. This Brown Squirrel Buster Plus Squirrel-proof Bird Feeder is the perfect solution for your backyard bird feeding needs. Its 6 feeding ports allow plenty of birds to eat at once, while its 5.1 pound seed capacity ensures you don't run out of food quickly. The Cardinal ring allows cardinals and other large birds to feed comfortably. The adjustable, pole-mountable design, pole adapter sold separately, allows you to mount this feeder wherever you want in the yard, giving your birds the best access to their food. The green color of the feeder helps it blend into your outdoor space, while its metal construction ensures years of reliable use. With its squirrel-proof design, you can rest assured your birds will get the food they need without being thwarted by pesky squirrels. Keep your backyard birds happy with the Brown Squirrel Buster Plus Squirrel-proof Bird Feeder. Pros: squirrel-proof. 6 feeding ports. 5.1 pound seed capacity. Adjustable. Pole mountable. Cons: pole adapter sold separately. May not be suitable for all types of birds. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Perky-Pet Copper Panorama Bird Feeder 312C. This Perky-Pet 517282 Copper Panorama Bird Feeder 312C is the perfect addition to your outdoor space. Featuring a classic copper finish, this bird feeder is designed to be both durable and beautiful. The one-tier design allows for easy access for your feathered friends, and the wide perching tray offers plenty of space for birds to feed. The copper finish is weather-resistant, making it ideal for outdoor use, and it's easy to clean and maintain. This feeder can hold up to 1.6 pounds of seed, making it a great choice for attracting a variety of birds. With the rustic charm of the copper finish, the Perky-Pet 517282 Copper Panorama Bird Feeder 312C is sure to be a hit in your backyard. Pros: large capacity for up to 3 pounds of birdseed. Durable copper-plated metal construction. Easy to fill and clean. Beautiful panoramic view to watch birds from all angles. Versatile design to attract a variety of birds. Cons: expensive compared to other bird feeders. Not suitable for larger birds like doves and pigeons. Can be difficult to mount securely. Number 5. Our 5th best pick is Droll Yankees Onyx Clever Clean and Fill Mixed Seed Bird Feeder. The Droll Yankees Onyx Clever Clean and Fill Mixed Seed Bird Feeder is the perfect way to attract wild birds to your garden. Made from sturdy and durable plastic, this feeder features 4 feeding ports and a generous 18-inch diameter. The top fill design is easy to use and refill, and the seed tray can be removed for cleaning. The wide perches make it easy for birds to enjoy their meals, while the metal mesh base ensures that seed stays in the feeder and not on the ground. The black finish adds a stylish touch to any garden, while the patented squirrel-proof design helps keep pesky squirrels away. With the Droll Yankees Onyx Clever Clean and Fill Mixed Seed Bird Feeder, you can enjoy the beauty of birds in your garden year-round. Pros: attractive black design. Easy to clean and fill. 4 ports provide plenty of feeding options. The 18-inch size accommodates larger birds. Durable construction. Cons: pricey compared to other feeders. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.